Isn't it a comforting feeling to discover a place that feels like home in an unknown city? Allow us to introduce you to Sterling Oxford in Berkeley. Featuring numerous shared apartments, this student accommodation is a hot favorite. Each room is well lit and ventilated, adorned with windows. The room's functionality is enhanced by a wardrobe and shelving unit conveniently available on the study desk. Whether you choose to complete your homework or indulge in a series marathon, the option is yours, thanks to the free high-speed Wi-Fi. Moving on from the bedroom to the kitchen, you'll find it fully equipped with an induction cooktop, oven, microwave, and fridge. Store your midnight snacks and secret ingredients for delectable dishes, perfect for hosting a house party. Speaking of parties, the property boasts a rooftop deck where you can savor a beautiful sunset. Moreover, you can meet new people at the nearby University of California and Golden Gate University. Plan hangouts with friends at Triple Rock Brewing or enjoy a quiet cup of coffee at Yali's Cafe. For the weekend, consider a visit to the Campanile by boarding a bus from Shattuck Avenue. Take a significant step toward your future by securing your reservation at Sterling Oxford in Berkeley through amberstudent.com.